In this video, I'm going to show you how to use split screen on Windows. So this is going to be an easy tutorial. Now, say for example, if you are on YouTube, let's say for example, you're watching some video, this for example, and you'd want to go on Google as well to search for something. Now, don't worry, here's something that you can do. So here in your YouTube, I want you to go ahead and just bring this one to another tab. So yeah, once you have two windows right now, you can hit the control button that is in between the control and alt in your keyboard, and then you can hit the arrow right. So I'm going to go ahead and bring this to the right. That's why I'm going to click the arrow right. But if you want to bring this to the left, you're going to click the arrow left. So again, right is where I'm going to go this to or bring this to. There you go. And the moment I release the Windows key there, what's going to happen is it's going to bring me all the other tabs that I have right here. Now, what I'm going to be using is this one right here, the Google. So I'm going to click that. And as you can see, they are side by side each other. So I can then go ahead here in Google and search, say, for example, something. Let's say ChatGPT. And then I'm just going to play this one. There you go. Video is playing. And here is me. Or I can go ahead and watch some news or read some news. Yeah, just something about it. Or let's say, for example, if I want to search something related to that one. So catfish, I can click the images here, and yeah, you can see more information about it. And that is basically there is to all of it. Congratulations, everybody. Now you know how to split your screen here in Windows.